Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the language on the Pocket Love Good Life Sim application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And here, click to the 3 lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings section. In the first option, the language, click to the English button and just select a language, for example Deutsch, Italiano and more, and just select one and step on it. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.